Dan, look. Gwendolyn.
My jaw hurts.
Gwendolyn. Hey, Missy. Look over here, Missy. Say hi. Over here. Woo! Lamig. Alright. Hold your brother's hand. Huh? Do you want to go someplace else or dyan lang sa tindahan?
Where do you want to go?
Huh?
Where do you want to go?
Sa kanto. Let's go. Hold your sister's hand. Dan. Hold Kuya's hand, Missy. Say hi, Missy. Huh? Yeah. Hold Kuya's hand pala. You can play on the way home. Alright? Hold her, Dana. Wait, guys, wait. Alright, go. 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 Go, get what you want. Missy, wait. Gwendolyn, you have to wait.